Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have yet another entry, and this is entry number 60, and this is coming from Teresa Fender, Teresa Garcia Fender on Instagram. Oh my god, oh my god, there's something heavy in here. Oh my gosh, Teresa, look at this unicorn bath salt. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. That looks so gorgeous. Okay, let's see what we got here, guys. I'm gonna open her card up. This is her card, and I'm sorry it looks, I just pulled it straight out of the bag, so I don't wanna move anything. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's things that are everywhere, but I'm just gonna open this up and see what she's got in here. This is the birthday card. It says hooray. Oh my gosh, look at all these fun pennants we could use. Ooh. So pretty. Hooray. Eileen, hello dear, from Fort Bliss, Texas. What? Hope your birthday was wonderful and gave you all the joy you deserve. I don't have a YouTube channel yet, but I just want to thank you for all the inspiration and goodness I get from watching yours. From your channel I found PHA, and I just wanted to thank you for that. I hope you enjoy the items I made for you. I really enjoyed making them. Thank you for being you, and happy birthday, Teresa. Oh my gosh, Teresa. Yes, guys, PHA is in the house. Our girl, Christian, who's Christian's Crafty Adventures on YouTube and Instagram. She has shown me the way to do this YouTube, Instagram thing is to share the love, because there's always so much love that we can share. You know what I mean? It will never run out. There's more than enough people here. So let's see what she's got. She's got some gorgeous purple bows. They're everywhere, guys. Look at these. These are the faux leather, and I'm wondering how you kept them to stay, because I used it once and it would not work. It would not stay for me, but holy cow, girly. Look at this. Okay. Some are a little bit, oh, it's caught on there. Oh, that's what she did. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she, oh, these lollipops. Oh my gosh, I used to love these things growing up. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Iridescent lollipops. Thank you, girl. Teresa, oh my gosh. And then this is a, oh, girl boss. Yes. And it's purple. Oh my gosh. And I could take the plastic off. Oh my gosh. Thank you, girly. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna put it like that. How about like that? So pretty. Oh my goodness. Love all those colors. Okay, so that's her memory deck. So I'm gonna save her memory decks for last. And then she's got all these little tiny. All right, so she has some tassel paper clips on here. It's so cute. Love these purple bags. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Teresa. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god. Look at those. You guys, she glittered heart rosettes. There it is, guys. Gorgeous. So not all of them are glittered, but she has a lot of them glittered. Oh my goodness. There you go. There you go. This is so cute. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are so perfect to put on our embellishments. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I will put these to use, girly, no problemo. And they're all heart shapes, which I don't have a heart shape die. So perfect. Thank you so very much. This is gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Oh my gosh, here, go OCD with me. I'm just, you know, obsessed. Thank you, girl. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. And then we have another tassel paper clip. Oh, there's another bow. Oh my gosh. And so this one, oh my goodness. There's even more, you guys. Oh my god. What in the world? Girly. Oh my god, this is I'm gonna be showered in glitter for sure. Oh my god, so many. Thank you so much. Yeah, I won't have to make one single. I don't need the die. Look at this one, has stars on it. Like, oops. Oh, there's that side. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am covered in glitter. So many. Oh my goodness, girl. I'll definitely be sharing some love with our fellow crafters. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Girl, you did a lot of work. This is so much work, I'm telling you. Not only to make the rosettes, but to glitter them, and they look like candy. Like, come on. That is so much work. Ooh, girl, I'm covered now. Whoopsies. So she also gifted me a beautiful pen with the crown. Yes, girl, yes. Bow down to the crown. Yes, purple. Perfect. And she shared some beads with me. Holy smokes, Teresa. Oh, look, she made the PHA backpack. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kristen would be so proud. So this little backpack, she put all these beads in there. Look at her backpack, has these teeny tiny flowers. And then she has the butterfly with the gold thread and these beautiful beads. Oh my gosh, I have to make some stuff with this. And then these just came out of the backpack, but we can put it all back later. Oh my gosh, Christian, look at what you've created. Oh my gosh. Teresa, you did a beautiful job. I have not made one yet, so I'm loving your backpack. So adorable. Oh my goodness. So let's get to her Memory Dex card real quick. Oh, and she's got glitter in here too. Oh my God. We're gonna be showered in glitter. Oh yes, girl. The whole thing is covered. Oh my goodness. I didn't even show her bag topper. I'm so bad. But it's a little bag topper. I think this is Carousel. And I don't know where she got this gold trim, but it's dimensional, guys. So pretty. And then she has white trim here. Ruffled trim. That's so pretty. And then here's the heart, guys. It just got squished in the mail. But it's a beautiful heart. Look at that. Just like that, it's fixed. And she's got a beautiful flower on there with this huge flat back pearl. That is so beautiful. She's got a few gemmies here and it says celebrate. Let's get to her card. Look at that. Oh my gosh. She's got, oh, it's a rosette. Oh, did it come out? Oh no. It came from Texas, guys, so it's bound to happen. The heat, yeah, it just came off. So I'm just gonna add some hot glue right there. Handy dandy hot glue gun. And stick it back on there. So perfect. Like it never even happened. And then I could just stick some glue there. I'm gonna put it right there where I think I see hot glue. I think it was there. I'm not sure, but we're gonna stick it there for now. I'll get my glue strings off of there. So beautiful. Teresa, thank you so very much for entering. Look at her. She's got the lollipop cabochon. She's got a bunch of the dewdrops on here. There's the heart rosette that she made with the glitter. She's got a little flag here. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. And she's got a teeny tiny little pink bow with the polka dots. I love this. Oh, she put a pom-pom at the bottom here. Gorgeous. Love the pom-pom trim. Oh my gosh. And there's the carousel in the background. Didn't even realize that, but look at that. It's so pretty. And then she has the back here nice and covered. She's got her info tucked inside the pocket. And it just says, happy birthday, Eileen. And then it has her info, her address. Her birthday is June 7th. Very nice. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Teresa. You did amazing, girly. You did so much. You did not have to make all of this, but I do appreciate everything. So pretty. My table looks so pretty right now. Oh my gosh, I have one more. Look at this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. One last thing. Of course. Almost missed it. Oh my goodness. She did not give me Maggie Holmes. Oh my gosh. It's the floral stamps. And this, I don't know what collection this is. Flourish. So it says, love makes everything grow. And she's got all the different flowers. Oh my gosh. Girl, you did not have to do all this. I'm literally covered in glitter. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go check out her Instagram. She does not have YouTube yet, like she said. So just be on the lookout. So add her to your Instagram following list, and maybe you'll get the info when she does. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.